Hola amigos, I wanted to share an important update about Hurricane Lidia and the current situation here in Bucerias. Take a look at this drone footage I captured earlier today, right around noon. You can clearly see the storm looming in the horizon with some big dark ominous looking clouds. And you can also see that we've had some rare surfable waves here in Bucerias due to the approaching hurricane. However, I must emphasize the importance of safety. Even though the waves might look tempting, I urge you to stay out of the water and in fact, avoid the beach, rivers, and canals altogether. Hurricane Lidia is currently brewing off the coast of Mexico. As of Tuesday afternoon, this storm has intensified into a powerful Category 3 hurricane, with sustained winds reaching a whopping 125 miles per hour and gusts even higher. Lidia is on the fast track, rapidly building towards Category 4 strength. Once a storm's winds exceed 74 miles per hour, it's officially classified as a hurricane, and Lidia is well beyond that threshold. Forecasters are predicting a landfall near Puerto Vallarta in the state of Jalisco on Tuesday evening. The impact could be severe with strong winds, heavy rains posing a significant threat. These conditions might trigger flooding, mudslides in some areas, so it's crucial for everyone in the affected regions to stay vigilant and be prepared. Tomorrow I will do a walking tour of Bucerias and show you guys the aftermath of Hurricane Lidia. However, please understand that depending on power and internet availability, it might take some time to upload the video, but I will do that as soon as possible. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more important updates on the ongoing situation and other topics. Your support keeps us going. Stay safe everyone, and I'll see you in the next video. De mi familia a la tuya, Dios te bendiga.